Our human bodies are truly incredible and complex machines, equipped with a highly sophisticated and multifaceted defense system known simply as the immune system, which operates around the clock to safeguard our health. The primary job of this immune system is to fiercely protect us from a wide array of harmful invaders, such as dangerous bacteria, viruses, parasites, and other pathogens that could otherwise make us seriously ill or even lead to life-threatening conditions. You can think of it as your body's own personal army, tirelessly patrolling every corner, constantly vigilant and ready to swiftly identify, engage, and neutralize any potential threats before they can cause harm. But how exactly does this army learn to effectively combat specific enemies, particularly brand new or evolving ones that it hasn't encountered before? That's precisely where the ingenious role of vaccines comes into play. So, what exactly is contained in a vaccine? At its very core, a vaccine contains what scientists call antigens, which are the key components designed to train your immune system. These antigens are tiny, harmless portions of a germ, functioning like a unique fingerprint or a specific protein found on its surface, allowing precise identification by the body. Importantly, these antigens are either significantly weakened, completely inactivated, or merely isolated fragments of the actual pathogen, ensuring they cannot possibly cause the full-blown disease themselves. Imagine them as a detailed mugshot of a wanted criminal that police use for identification, or like a sturdy training dummy that soldiers practice on, honing their skills without facing real danger. When you receive a vaccine through injection or other means, these carefully prepared antigens are safely introduced directly into your body, beginning the training process. Your immune system, always ever vigilant and on high alert, quickly detects these unfamiliar foreign invaders entering your bloodstream or tissues. It doesn't yet know that they're completely harmless. Instead, it simply recognizes them as something foreign that definitely shouldn't be there in your body. This detection immediately triggers a full-scale, coordinated immune response, mounting a defense just as powerfully as if a genuine, dangerous infection were actively underway. A crucial and central part of this robust response involves the rapid production of specialized antibodies by your immune cells. These antibodies are highly specialized proteins that function like tiny, precision-guided missiles designed to seek out and destroy specific targets. Each antibody is custom designed and shaped to perfectly latch onto its matching antigen, either neutralizing it on the spot or marking it clearly for destruction by other patrolling immune cells like macrophages. It's akin to crafting a unique key that fits only one specific lock with perfect precision, or developing a specialized weapon tailored exactly for a particular type of enemy on the battlefield. While these antibodies are actively engaged in combating the mock infection from the vaccine, another equally vital process unfolds simultaneously: the development of long-term immunological memory. During this response, your immune system diligently creates special, long-lived cells known as memory cells, which play a pivotal role in future protection. These memory cells serve like a comprehensive, detailed database storing critical battle data, or like a veteran soldier who vividly remembers every tactic and detail from a past intense battle, ready to act faster next time. They retain the precise blueprint and instructions for fighting that exact germ, persisting long after the initial threat from the vaccine's antigens has been completely cleared from your body. Then, if you ever encounter the real, live pathogen out in the world in the future, these memory cells spring into immediate action without hesitation. They orchestrate the swift production of a massive surge of antibodies and mobilize other immune cells, effectively overwhelming and neutralizing the invader before it can multiply and cause serious illness. This swift and robust secondary response is exactly why vaccinated individuals typically experience only very mild symptoms, if any at all, upon exposure to the disease, thanks to their prime defenses. In essence, vaccines offer a safe, controlled training exercise for your immune system, building strength without any real risk. They expertly teach your body how to quickly recognize and decisively fight off dangerous diseases, all without you ever having to endure the pain and risks of the actual infection first. Remarkably, this individual protection also extends outward, contributing significantly to what's known as community immunity or herd immunity on a larger scale. When a sufficient number of people in a population are vaccinated, it creates a formidable barrier, making it extremely difficult for the disease to spread widely and effectively protecting even vulnerable individuals who cannot receive vaccines themselves. So, the next time you hear discussions or debates about vaccines, remember that they stand as a profound testament to human scientific innovation and ingenuity. They cleverly harness and enhance your body's own natural defense mechanisms, meticulously preparing it to stand strong and resilient against various illnesses, ultimately helping to keep you and your loved ones healthy. By truly understanding how vaccines work at this fundamental level, we empower ourselves to make well-informed, confident decisions about our personal health and the greater well-being of our entire communities.